Students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is question related to the events, which is from your chapter probability. So first of all, we should know what is your event. Okay, so what is your event? So the collection of specific outcomes from all the possible outcomes. Okay, the collection of, see what is your outcome? This I will also clear. The collection of specific outcomes. Some specific outcomes from all possible from all possible from all possible outcomes is called an event. Okay, so this is called your event. So first of all, you should know what is your space total outcome of that given total outcome of a given experiment. Okay, so first of all, we should know the total outcome of the given experiment. First of all, it should be like the total outcome of the given experiment. The second will be that some outcomes favorable. Okay, so we call the event as the favorable outcomes which is related to this event, favorable outcome to this event. Okay, so we will see through examples, this will be more clear. So the event means the outcomes which is favoring that event. Okay, so let us take one example. So event means you should know what is your event. It is a specific outcomes. Okay, particularly favoring that event only, that event. Okay. So let us take one example. An unbiased die is thrown and unbiased die is thrown. What is the probability? What is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting an even number? Second, a multiple of 3. An even number. Next is an odd number. Second last is your a number less than 5. Okay. So we have to calculate all this, and unbiased die is thrown. What is the probability of getting an even number? Okay, see, first of all, we should know what is the sample space of this experiment. So what is the sample space? Since a die is thrown, you have a sample space like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sample space of the given experiment. Okay, this is the sample space of your given experiment. Now let us call this event as A, this event as B, this event as C, this event as D. So these are the some specific outcomes. So the outcome, the probability of getting, they are asking probability of getting a specific outcome, and specific outcome means an even number. Okay, so the outcome favoring this event is an even number. Out of this 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6 is your favorable outcome. Similarly for B, for this event, your favorable outcome for this event B will be multiple of 3 and 6. Only write 3 and 6 here. So favorable outcome for this event C, an odd number, 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5 are all this, and a number less than 5, and a number less than 5 is your 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So the favorable outcome, the specific outcome for this event is 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. So this is all your favorable outcomes to the particularly event. Now we will calculate the probability. So what is the probability of getting that event A? It will be your favorable outcome. Number of favorable outcomes are 3. out of 6. So you will get your answer 1 by 2. Similarly, what is the probability of getting a multiple of 3? The probability of event B will be your 2 upon 6. That is your again 1 by 3. Now, what is the probability of getting an odd number? What is the probability of getting an odd number? So the probability of getting an odd number is your event C. The number of outcomes favorable to C is your 3 upon 6. That is your 1 by 2. Now finally, a number less than 5 is your event D, and the favorable outcome. And the favorable outcome to this event D is what? Is your 4 upon 6. That is your 2 by 3. This is what you have to calculate the probability of the given event. So okay, so let us take another event in this only. A number between 3 and 6. A number between 3 and 6. Okay, so let us call this event as A dash. Okay, so my A dash, this is my A dash event, and the number should be between 3 and 6. So, and my total outcomes, I know this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So number between 3 and 6 is only 4 and 5. Is only 4 and 5. So first of all, I should write the event favoring, the outcome favoring this event is your 4 and 5. Now the probability of finding this event, the probability of getting this event is the number of outcomes favorable to this event is your 2 upon 6. This, it will be of 1 by 3. Got it? So this is how you have to calculate the probability of the given event. So first of all, you should find the outcomes, total outcomes of the given sample space of the given experiment. The total outcomes is known as your sample space. So now you have to see step by step the event that they are asking the probability. So what are the favorable outcomes to that event? So first of all, you should write the favorable outcomes related to that event, and then you can calculate the probability by the number of outcomes related to that event divided by the total outcome. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the probability of any event. So I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro Profile app. Till then, revise. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.